518 Lava Bluff. We have one satellite dish. Okay. Garage door looks really good. So do the eaves and the fascia. We have really beautiful desert landscaping. The front door looks really nice too. So my impression is, there's a cat, that this house is really well cared for. The front door looks good on both sides. The walls are white. We have laminate flooring. I'll start to the right. Okay. Nice little upgrades here and there. Okay, so there are candles burning. The carpet looks good. Those are the right blinds. We do have a smoke detector. And it might be because of a cat smell, but I really don't smell it. We have closet door guides and blinds, but we'll want to replace those with the 2.5-inch faux wood. This is nice. It's gray in here. I think they did a really good job on this bathroom. It looks thorough. It looks well done. These are 2.5-inch blinds. We could probably keep them. I'm not sure about the flooring. The PM's gonna have to decide when she's in the property. We do have a cat door on here, so we would need to probably replace this door. So it's up to fire code. Seems to be a shortage of lights tonight. Sorry. Okay, but the water heater has earthquake straps. We do have a garage door opener. Tons of overhead storage. Flooring looks good. Okay. Cabinets look like they're in pretty good condition. So I want to replace this maybe, the stove. Beautiful space saver microwave. Looking nice with recessed lights and a modern fan. Okay, and cross this cat's path. Overall though, I'd say the paint looks pretty good. We like soft tan, not white. But if we, see if we could pull it off for a tenant turn. Maybe not. That's the PM decision. So there's 4 blinds in this room. Carpet looks good. Hi, please be nice. Okay, I'm just gonna walk past you. We need to replace this flooring with tile. Looks good, straightforward. Oh, these are laminate counters, but they look really nice. Looks like the cabinets were stained. Might want to paint over those. Replace that blind as well. Tile would be just over about $5 a square foot. So it's a small area, small expense. Replace that blind as well. Okay.